Hi guys, my name is Purba and I am here to share with you some cooking recipes and some life lessons what I learned from my life. So let's get started. But before that, I want to tell you who all are new in my channel. Please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get all the notification whenever I will upload my new video. It's a new week. Weather in Tripura is too hot. My mind stopped working because of this burning temperature. But yesterday, I went for shopping and one incident happened with me. I remember one of my friends asked me when I was in Bangalore. He asked me, Purba, how you become so positive in your life? That time I was unable to answer him because before that day, it never came into my mind. But now I get my answer that I want to share with you. A man 30 years of age who is an auto rickshaw driver. Who all are from Tripura, they know it as a tuk-tuk or a tom-tom. When I was in his auto, he started conversation with me. He was in great despondency. He said he spent all his money to bought this auto. It's been 1 year he have this auto with him. But after 1 year also, he wasn't able to save some money for his future. Everything is gone. He has no hope. He started blaming himself. Why did I spend all money to bought this tuk-tuk? First, I felt sympathetic towards him, but it was evident that his chief trouble was the fact that dark shadow of hopelessness had entered his mind and discolored his outlook, distorting it. So I started asking him some questions. I asked him, are you able to surprise your family with some new clothes in this festival? He said yes, I already took them for shopping. They buy the things they want. I asked him, from where did you get that money? He said he drives this auto every day and from there he saved some money for them. I asked him, are you able to provide them food every day? He said yes. Then I asked, are you able to take the responsibility of your child's study? He smiled and said, yes, I am. I asked him, how about your integrity? Have you done anything wrong? He said, no. I have always tried to do the right thing and my conscience is clear. Then I said to him, you are able to surprise your family. You are able to provide them food every day. You are able to take the responsibility of your child's study. You have good integrity. You have nothing to be ashamed of. Then how you can say that everything is gone? How you can doubt your decision? At me and said, I guess I didn't think of those things. I never thought of it that way. Perhaps things are not so bad at that. Well, he got it and I got my answer. Dr. Carl Menninger said, attitudes are more important than fact. Any fact facing us, however difficult, even seemingly hopeless, is not so important as our attitudes towards that fact. In your every problem, there is some positivity still exists. You just need to put attention on these positive thoughts. Now, some of you will say, it's easy to say, but difficult to do. Yes, it's not easy, and we all want an easy way. That's why we all are struggling with this problem. It's your life. If you are not working on it, no one will. You have to do some hard work for yourself, for your happiness. So never ask this type of question if you want a better you. So that's all for today. I hope it will help you to think about those positivity that you already have. And if you have anything in your mind you want to share with me, you can comment down below. I'll check it. See you next week. Love you guys. Bye.